all that wind and rain that just blew through. This is a good one. I'm on Soul Street. This is Leslie Alley that we're at. See the mattress? 8:28 in the evening. I wonder what house that come blowing out of. Yeah, I figure it's out of a truck or something, but still. Yeah, I was out through this heavy storm. And there's a mattress got blown out of somewhere. Right at Leslie Alley on Soul Street. I just had to get a picture of it. And I got a car coming. And I think the car behind me might be picking it up. Truck. No? Maybe? Yeah, I think they're picking it up. That was a new one.